Hello gems, welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to be reviewing a wig from CurlyMe here. So this is what the package is looking like. This is from their Amazon store. I think when you buy from their website you get that pink package, but this is from the Amazon store. And these are the goodies you get inside. You do get an additional adjustable elastic band, so your wig can be, I don't know, wearing glueless, but I don't think you need glueless at this point. But just to make sure that it is held firmly, you get some lashes and a headband. So the wig that I have, or the wig that I was sent, is their 22-inch Burmese curly half wig. Okay, so if you are not aware, half wigs have been making their rounds. These were popular back in the day, but now they are popular again and everyone is loving them. You don't need no lace, you don't need no glue. You can go ahead and just, you know, leave your hair out. So this one has 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and that's what the ends are looking like. Very curly hair. It does have the adjustable elastic band and it does have that drawstring. The drawstring is very important because this helps your wig to stay snug on your head. So look at the ends of the curls. Again, this is a popular Burmese curly hair, and this one is supposed to blend pretty well with natural or maybe just any hair type you have. You can go ahead and use the Burmese curly. So we're just gonna go ahead and install the hair. So again, it's 22 inches and it's the Burmese curly hair from CurlyMe here. So like I said, we did go through the unboxing already. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the drawstring so you can adjust it just to make sure your wig is fitting as you wish. So if your head is a little bigger, then this will definitely fit you as well. So for my leave out, I'm just using just a little bit of leave out. I'm using this wig grip, this silicone wig grip, just to make sure that the wig stays on my head and it doesn't pull back, and also that I protect my hair underneath. So I'm wearing a wig cap and also the wig grip. These are optional, but my hair is super fine and it's easy to get damaged, so I want to make sure I protect my hair. The wig is easy to install, so if you're a beginner, you don't even have to worry about anything. And as you guys saw, my leave out is pretty minimal, basically nothing at all. I don't have a lot, so I just left out a very small amount, you know, just so the hair can blend. And the less you leave out, the less hair you have to blend, darlings. You won't have to be worried about putting edge control or gel and those kind of things just to blend your hair, or flat iron, curling, none of that. And with the half wigs, because the hair is like, it looks like it's coming from your scalp, to be honest, you don't even need to do much. Okay, so the wig is on, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you adjust the drawstring. You just pull it as tight as you wish, and then you tuck the extra string underneath at the base of your neck. And yeah, that's what the curls are looking like. That's what the hair is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and undo the curls. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I was a little bit rough with some of them, but you know, that's just how it is. But even after unraveling the curls or pulling them apart, they still hold that pretty bouncy curly look. Like, look at it. I am not going to add any product to this hair, to be honest. I kind of want to just keep it in this style. I'm not going to brush it out either. I'm not going to make it bigger, but that's what the wig is looking like right out the box on my head, with the curls pull apart at the ends. Again, I really love curly hair. I don't know, curly hair on a black woman is just phenomenal. Okay, to lay my edges, I'm going in with the Ebian 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm just going to kind of, you know, shape my edges a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a regular usual thing. I was wearing another half wig, so yeah, and I did use that edge control before. So guys, you know, I feel like the edge control is one of those things that was making my edges disappear. I think the one I had, or that one I was using, had alcohol in it. So I had switched out to the Pro Natural or Pro Organic, I don't remember. And this one, hopefully these two will be better and I will get to keep my edges. So I'm just kind of, you can just, right here, it's up to you as to what you want to do when it comes to your edges. You can either leave them to make it look more natural, or you can shape them a little bit. Just play around with it and do what suits you. you know, do what you like. You don't have to do what I do, but you know, however you blend your natural hair to the half wig, you can go ahead and, you know, just do that. But this wig was really easy to work with, guys. If you are beginner friendly, like, not if you are, the wig is beginner friendly, you don't need to do much. Okay, I am gonna go in and cut a little layer in the hair, just a little bit. Well, I tried. I'm not really good at cutting, but I do try. Whatever suits you. You don't have to cut it if you don't want, but you know, face framing layers always does it. If you want to wear it on the center part, or if you want to do side part, either way, you have options. Okay, so I'm just cutting a few layers, nothing crazy. I don't want to mess this hair up. Okay, the density of this hair is wonderful. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, it's to die for. The wig didn't shed much, just a little bit here and there. Again, it's human hair, it's gonna shed a little, nothing crazy, you know. But the density is awesome. It's not too full, it's not thin. You can't see the tracks, which is awesome, because I've gotten some wigs and honey, you can see the tracks in the back. We don't really want that at all. So again, I'm trying to do the layers. I'm going in with the layers, you know. Sometimes we get wig and we try something and it don't work, but you know, like already we have to try a few things, you know. Just frame with face a little bit. I have a round face, so I need a little layer in my hair. But guys, check out CurlyMe hair. They are pretty nice, pretty awesome. I really do like CurlyMe hair. I have never had an issue with any of their hair, whether it's their clip-ins or anything. It's always a vibe. It's always good. That's what it's looking like. Look at it. Look how full and beautiful that is. So I'm just wearing this in a little center part, you know, nothing crazy. That's just what that is looking like. I really like this one. These days, I think I really like the fluffy look. So, you know, let's just see how that works out. But this is one style you can wear it in. Pretty simple, easy, nothing crazy, just awesome. Okay, the hair is very lightweight as well, guys, and you will always have a discount code. There'll be one in the description box for you guys to use to get some coins off, you know. But I'm really loving this. I'm really loving the fullness. I'm really loving how the curls are just so beautiful. It's just so bouncy and it's very easy. Like, this can be an everyday wig. You can do half up, half downs, whatever you choose to do, and you can wear a headband. So this is it with the headband on. I think I really do like the headband look. I like the headband look. Kind of effortless, you know, easy. You can wear this wig to work. You can wear it out. You can leave more of your hair out and do a half up, half down. It's very versatile, guys. You don't have to worry about different styles that you can do. The wig is very versatile. Like, just look at that. It doesn't matter how many times I manipulate the curls. They are just awesome. Like, I think Burmese curly is one of the best curly hair textures there is, and I just love it. So that's with the headband. I think this style is my favorite. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, let me know down below which style is your favorite. I really do love the headband style. Look how nice that is. Pretty. I don't know. I just couldn't stop playing in the hair. It couldn't stop playing. And then this one, half up, half down, always my favorite. I don't know. Every time I get a wig, half up, half down, I have to do, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's gonna be the last one, a high ponytail. And if you're interested in the wig, just go ahead and check the description box. All the details will be there. Again, this wig is from CurlyMe hair, and I have their 22 inches Burmese curly half wig. Very pretty wig, very beginner friendly, fluffy, full, lightweight. Everything about this wig I love, guys. So that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic. You keep slaying, queens. Bye.